guys, so today I'm sharing this party kind of makeup look which I create by using 100 rupees makeup product. It is super affordable and you also create this type of look and wear in daytime as well as night time. So if you like this look, don't forget to like this vlog and follow me for such vlogs, and let's see how great I this look.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.